Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Anything that is fatty or greasy is definitely bad for your drain. Pouring any kind of oil down your drain will eventually result in a clogged drain pipe, which ultimately leads to you needing professional drain cleaning service.
Let's help you make your mark.
You should never dump used cooking oil outside. Even if you dump cooking oil in the grass, it will find its way to the sewer system and cause clogs and other issues. It is also bad for wildlife to dump and leave used cooking oil outside.
Let's help you make your mark.
Simple, easy steps for cooking oil disposal. Store properly and then dispose along with other household waste. Take used oil to restaurants for correct disposal. Contact a household hazardous waste disposal company. Use a grease disposal system. Add to compost. Mix with other solid waste materials.
Let's help you make your mark.
Number 1. It's okay to pour grease down the drain if I run hot water with it. This only moves the grease further down the sewer line. Eventually the water will cool and the grease will begin to solidify and coat the pipes. Pour oil and grease into an empty container, such as an old can, and allow it to cool completely.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.